Principles of leadership. At present, different types of theories are prevalent on educational leaderships and management. Some of the main principles can be explained as follows. First one is the theory of balance. The proponent of this theory believe that leadership develops only when there is a balanced development of all or most of the leadership qualities in a person. If there is an imbalance of leadership qualities, that is, one or two qualities are developed very much and others are not developed as much as expected, then the leadership of that person is in trouble. For example, if a leader develops too much physical strength, he performs casual and non actionable tasks without worrying about good or bad, as a result of which his leadership is in danger. The second principle of leadership is group process theory. Some scholars are of the view that leadership is the result of group process, interactions, discussions and consultations takes place among the members of the group. Based on these, a person emerges as the leader from the entire group. The person who satisfies the needs and problems of the group accepts him as its leader. The third one is theory of coincidence. According to this principle, sometimes a person becomes a leader by chance. A person gets the chance to become a leader only when the following three conditions arise for him simultaneously. First one is excellent personal merit of the person. The second one is the occurrence of any kind of trouble or problem. Third one, missing opportunities for the person to see his ability to solve the problems. The third principle of leadership is the principle of merit in incompetence. We explain these principles on the basis of compensation principle of psychology, that if a human being is deficient in one area, then he does excellent work in other areas as a compensation for his incompetence. According to this principle, some people have some shortcomings, as a result of which they become leaders by doing good work in other areas to compensate for their shortcomings. In the example study, the weak student becomes the leader of the team by becoming a good player. The fifth principles of the leadership is theory of singularity. Some scholars believe that leadership is the result of the unique talents of the individual. According to this, some individuals have some special abilities and qualities that others don't have. Because of their special qualities, they make other members of the groups their followers and becomes its leader. This is also called trait theory. It is thus clear that almost all the principles seem right to become a leader. When who and how to become a leader, it depends on different circumstances. Actually, becoming a leader does not depend on any one element or factor. For this two elements are mainly responsible: personality traits and circumstances of the person. We can also call them hereditary factors and environmental factors. Hereditary factors lead to the development of personality traits, and environmental factors create suitable conditions for becoming a leader. Only the result of the interaction between these two factors makes a person a leader. This is the reason why people with different qualities become leaders in different situations.